Later today, Bill Cosby, the comedian, will be released from prison. The Supreme Court of Pennsylvania has thrown out his case. He's been serving time in prison, and this is pretty horrific. And of all things, I'm going to TMZ on this news. My goodness gracious. There are two reasons the conviction could not stand. The Pennsylvania High Court has ruled today it was unduly prejudicial to allow 5 women with stories similar to Andrea Costin to testify, trying to show Bill Cosby had an MO for drugging women and then sexually assaulting them. The second reason was found during the trial. Former District Attorney Bruce Castor cut a deal with Cosby. If he testified in a civil deposition, he would not face trial criminally. During the deposition, Cosby made incriminating statements about drugging women, and it was presented at trial. The Supreme Court of Pennsylvania ruled the deal was broken by the prosecutors. A judge had vacated the conviction of the sentence and ordered the 83-year-old released immediately. The court ruled that not only is Bill Cosby a free man, but he cannot be retried. He served 3 years of a 10-year sentence. Bill Cosby's legal team is actually headed to prison now to pick him up. So here's essentially, there are a couple of things that happened in Cosby's situation. The first is that he agreed to testify in a civil case. He was being sued civilly, and the district attorney in Pennsylvania said, if you will testify in the civil case, you will not be prosecuted. In the civil case, in a deposition, Cosby admitted to pretty much everything. A new DA came into office and decided to press charges against Cosby. The old DA had said there would be no charges if he said everything. So the Supreme Court has thrown out the case for that, but then there was something else. During the trial, the district attorney brought in multiple other women. Cosby was on trial for assaulting a woman, and the district attorney brought in 5 other women with similar stories that were not revealed prior to the trial to build the case. And the Supreme Court said you can't do that. You're supposed to give the defense everything you've got. And they clearly had these women before the trial, and they waited to spring the trap after the trial, and that was a party foul. They wanted to be so sure they convicted Cosby that they took shortcuts they should not have taken. And as a result, Bill Cosby will be released from prison, and he will not be allowed to be retried. He has served for 3 of a 10-year sentence. Man, that release party is going to be something, isn't it? Don't drink the punch. Listen, here's the thing. Bill Cosby is one hell of a comedian. He's also clearly a monster people did not know.